HIV is a virus, and AIDS is a syndrome. HIV. Human immunodeficiency virus. A virus that causes a deficiency in the immune system of a human. AIDS. Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. A syndrome caused by a deficiency in the immune system that is acquired and transmitted. At a very simple level, the only difference is the quantity of the virus. Not all HIV-positive individuals test positive for AIDS because the pills they consume every day lowered their viral load to undetectable levels. Being undetectable makes the virus non-transmittable. Remember, we have 3 ways to end HIV. Getting treatment not only restores a normal life but also eliminates transmission. And that means each individual is a key player in ending HIV. Get tested and stop HIV. We can write a story on how we ended HIV.